So, dear students, today we are doing the portion from the Comet, and the question from the Comet, the first one is tick the correct option. And in tick the correct option, the question number 1 says the successor of 4, 5, 7, 2, 8, 9. 4, 5, 7, 2, 8, 9. The successor of this number. So let us first take out the successor of this number. So let me find it out, the successor of this particular number. So you all are doing this is 89. So the successor would be 457290. Okay. Now this will be the answer for it. This successor only. But the question is telling this successor is one less from which number? It means it is asking that this number is one less from which number? So it is asking one less मतलब ये 90 है तो ये 91 से 1 कम होगा बेटा. So it means the correct answer would be 457291 is just this is only the number जिससे कि one less है. Okay, one less है ये. So the correct option will be 457291. ठीक है, this is the correct answer of this particular question. Now move on to the next question. Thank you, Ojal, for telling me the second question, beta. So the second question is 8 times of 2424 is equal to, or you can call it the same as. Now let me first tell you this question is very easy. Just only use your mind here. Now see how you will see. Because this is 8. If I want to write this 8 in the form of breaking position, how can we write it down? I can also write this number as 4 into 2. Because 8 means 4 2s are 8. So you can write it down 4 into 2 as 8. Now 2424 will remain same. I have written this. Now the question is telling this number is same as. So let us first solve this number. And when you will solve this number, you will get it 4848 multiplied by 4. Now see, you have solved this condition only. After solving this condition, you have got it this. And after solving this one, you have got it this. It means ultimately आपको इससे ही ये मिला है. Sorry. Ultimately, you have got this from this only, or you can call it you have got this from this only. It means ultimately both are same, and the question is telling that this is same as 4 times of which number? 4848. So this will be the correct answer, that is 4848. Okay, so this question, that is 888 plus 777 plus 555 will can be. Now look at here. This is 888 beta. If I want to write it down in a easiest way, can I write like this 8 into 111? Will it be okay? 8 into 111. Will it be okay? Please reply in the chat box. 8 into 111. Will it be okay? Yes or no in the chat box, beta? Correct. Very good. Thank you. Now, the same thing, 777. Can I write 7 into 111? Then also it will be okay. And the same way, if I want to write 555, I can also write it down 5 into 111. 5 into 111. Now see this number. All are looking similar now. 888, 8 into 111. 777, 7 into 111. And 555, 5 into 111. Now the question has become very unique question and a different one also. Now how can we do that now? In the next step, you only see you have done it distributive property often. Now what can be taken out common as over here? 111 can be taken out as common, and also the sign of multiply also. So when you take out these things common, you will come to know 8 plus 7 plus 5 in the bracket. 8 plus 7 plus 5 in the bracket. Now remember this, triple 1 multiply by 8 plus 7 plus 5, which will give us 20. And in the question only it was asking which is this number. It was missing in the question. So 20 is the answer in this particular question. Yes. So there were some students who were telling that they want to understand this question again. So I'm explaining this once more. Beta, as you all can see, it is telling 8 into 2424. I'm just taking this question with another example. Suppose if I tell you that half of 32 is same as 8 into 2. Now tell me, is this line making sense to you? Like half of 32 means you all are knowing half of 32 means you are talking about 16. ठीक है? Is same. Same का मतलब होता है बेटा equal to. Same का मतलब होता है equal to. Now half of 32 means 16 is equal to 8 into 2. 8 into 2 कितना होता है? 16 only. It means I have only written this in another language, in the form of another language, but the क्वेश्चन इज मेकिंग द सेम सेंस. ठीक है, दोनों ही केसेस में क्वेश्चन इज मेकिंग द सेम सेंस. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू बेटा, द सेम वे in second question it is also asking ki 8 into 24 can be written as, what can be written as, that I am telling you. See, 8 ko we can write it down as 4 into 2, because 8 का मतलब होता है 4 into 2, that is 4 2s are 8. So I have replaced 8 as 4 into 2 and it is already written 2424. ठीक है, जो कि पहले से मेंशन था. Now the question is telling 4 times of which number. तो 4 को हम as it is रहने देते हैं and this number when you will multiply it will give you 48 and 4 is already given in the question. ठीक है, अब नाउ एग्जाम में आपसे पूछ रहा था, इस क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछ रहा था 8 into 2424 is equal to 4 into which number? This was the question. This was the question. Now you only see we have solved it. We have solved it. We have come to know that 8 into 2424 is also equal to 4 into 4848. So this question will get completed in this case. 8 into 2424 will be equal to 4 into 4848. Finished. Now reply yes or no if you have understood. Yeah, okay. Now next question is again a very logical question which is telling to us that there are 4 whole numbers A, B, C and D, and they are located on a number line in such a way. So let us first we will locate these numbers on a number line. Now the question is telling that A, B, C, D are 4 whole numbers which we are locating on number line. And कैसा लिखा हुआ है? ये लिखा हुआ है that A is there and B is there between. It is written here C. Yes, it is mentioned in the question that B is lying between A and C. So B is lying between A and C. So I have written it here like this, that B is lying between A and C. So पहले A हो जाएगा, middle में हो जाएगा B and last में हो जाएगा C according to the question. And then question is telling, in this question only it is mentioned that there is another point, that is D. ठीक है, और D का लोकेशन किस तरीके से दिया, इस तरीके से लोकेशन दिया है कि जो A पॉइंट है, this A point comes between B and D, comes between B and D. तो बेटा B तो पहले से मेंशन है, केवल बचा D, तो I have mentioned D also. Now if you remember, we have also done this question in such a way that if you remember, I taught you the number line on whole numbers, and if you remember in whole numbers what we studied on number line, how much longer you make the number line, the first number will be the smallest one, and as soon as you will move to the right hand side, you will get the number greater and greater and greater. It means सबसे छोटा कौन सा हो जाएगा बेटा D, then उससे बड़ा कौन सा हो जाएगा A, then B, then C. It means the sequence will look like this. If you are talking about on a number line, how much you go to the right hand side, you will get the greater and greater number. So here सबसे छोटा कौन सा बन जाएगा? D, because it is on left side. ठीक है, सबसे left में है ये. So that position will be look like D, then greater than A, then greater than B, then here it will be C at the last. This is finished. In question number 5, it is telling that you have to choose two distinct whole numbers. ठीक है, distinct का मतलब होता है बेटा clearly different. Different का मतलब होता है if you take A one, तो another one should be B. ठीक है, this is I'm talking about question number 5th one of take the correct option. Two distinct whole number. Distinct का मतलब होता है if you take 1 2, so another one should not be 2, it should be 3. If one is 1, another one should be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or any other number, it should not be 1. Distinct का मतलब होता है दो अलग अलग. ठीक है, so if you take two distinct whole number, so their product का मतलब होता है their multiply, the result of the multiplication. ठीक है, so product of two whole number cannot be, मतलब क्या नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, आपको यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट क्या नहीं हो सकता. नाउ थिंक देयर एग्जांपल्स, यू हैव टू थिंक सम नंबर्स इन सच अ वे एंड प्लीज फुलफिल द कंडीशन व्हिच इज गिवन इन द ऑप्शन. ठीक है, आप सोचना and the MCQs or the options are already given. Today question of the day is this only. Today's question of the day is this only. ठीक है, and if you will not be understanding then I will explain it to you. Number प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू डिस्टिंक्ट होल नंबर का मतलब, डिस्टिंक्ट का मतलब होता है बेटा दो अलग अलग. ठीक है, लाइक दो होल नंबर्स, कोई भी दो होल नंबर ले सकते हो बिकॉज यू हैव स्टडीड सो मेनी होल नंबर फ्रॉम मी ना, राइट फ्रॉम जीरो से लेकर कितने भी. सो 1 and 2 ले सकते हो आप, यू कैन टेक 0 and 1, यू कैन टेक 3 and 4, you can take 5 and 6, you can take 7 and 8, you can take 7 and 12, any two whole number you can take. It is telling their product, their product मतलब होता है their multiplication. ठीक है, cannot be. Now what cannot be? Now you have to product, it is talking about product. बेटा मान्या 0 हो सकता है. See, if I take 0 one whole number and another number I take 1, so the product will be 0 and 1 will be 0 only ना. So 0 तो नहीं होगा, ऑप्शन में 0 बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. ठीक है, and think, just think it and just reply the answers tomorrow to me. If you will not be understanding, then I will let you know. Tick the correct options are already completed now. Second question is already done by us earlier only. Now let us move on to question number 3. Yes, the next question is Shantilal received rupees 8156,420. It's 8,15,000. No, sorry, it's 81,56,420 rupees after selling a house. ठीक है, he gave rupees 30,50,000 each to his sons and rupees 16,52,800 to his wife. Now he has two sons and rest of the money he gave as charity. How much money did he give as charity? This question is very, very simple, beta. You have to just do the process. Let me tell you the process. You will do this question by your own. Now see, Shanti Lal has some money. We will keep that money as a safer point of us. Okay? Then how much money he gave? Let us take those money. First, he has two sons. So each of them, he has given 30,50,000. So first of all, we will take these two money, 30,50,000 two times, 30,50,000 plus 30,50,000. Then he has given 16,52,800 to his wife also. It means we will add three things. What we will add? 30,000, 30,50,000 plus 30,50,000 again plus 16,52,800. Now, when we add these three things together, we will get to know that how much money he has given. ठीक है, to his family. Then total money, how much Shantilal was having, how much he received, we will subtract from that. And when we will subtract from that, we will came to know that how much money is left with him, because how much money is left with him, that much money is only given to the charity. ठीक है, so this question is just simply based on addition and subtraction. First, you have to add the money which is given to wife and son. Remember, there are two sons, and each of the son has got 30 lakh 50,000. So you have to add 30 lakh 50,000 two times, and then 16 lakh 52,800 once only. After adding these, you will subtract from 81 lakh 56,420. Now, whatever money will be left, that money will be left as a charity. Beta, this question number 4, which is there in more challenging question, it says us that you have to find the product of the largest 5-digit number to the largest 3-digit number by using property. Remember, you have to use property over here. Okay? So you cannot simply multiply this solution. So let us see this. Product means multiply. So I have placed a sign of multiply between these two. Now it is telling largest 5-digit number. You are all are knowing largest 5-digit number is 99999. Okay. Then it is telling you have to multiply this by largest 3-digit number. So that is 999 only. Written this. Now the question is telling us you have to use property, that is distributive property. So for that, what we will do? We can break this number. Now, which number we can break? You can choose any number out of these two for breaking. So I am breaking the smaller number, which will be easier for me. But remember, you can also choose the greater number also to break. So here I will be breaking this number, which will be broken as 1000 minus 1. Okay. So this, according to this question, now we have broken up like 1000 minus 1. Now just we will simply multiply by using distributive property. How will we do that? This will be multiplied by this also. So 99999 multiplied by 1000 minus this same number will get multiplied with the last number also, which will give us 99999 multiplied by 1. Finished. Now, the last step is only the subtraction. Okay. So this question, which I have just now solved, I am explaining it once again with the help of one different example. Suppose if I tell you that you have to find the product of largest 3-digit number. Largest 3-digit number is 999 with largest 2-digit number. Suppose I give you this question and you have to simply multiply this number, these numbers by using property. Better remember, if the question is written that you have to use property, you cannot write directly. Okay? If the question is you have to use property, you cannot write it directly. Okay? You have to use property in that case. How will you do now? Property of distributive says that you have to break a number, like, and then distribute it. So how can you break? You can break this number also, you can break this number also. But remember, choose always that number which will be convenient to you, जो आपको ज्यादा इजी पड़े. So ये छोटा नंबर है तो मैं क्यों ना इसको ब्रेक कर लूं. ठीक है. So I am taking 99. Now 99, how can you break it? 100 minus 1. 100 में से 1 minus करो तो you get it 99 only. So I will break like 100 minus 1. And this 999 will remain same. Now see this. I taught you the property that was distributive property, which is just to distribute now samosa chutney to Changu and Mangu. Now who is Changu? Samosa chutney. This is samosa. This is chutney. This is Changu and this is Mangu. Now only distribute it. How will you distribute it? Samosa and chutney to Changu. दे दिया. Now the sign of minus and again the same thing. Samosa chutney to Mangu. Now given this also. ठीक है. Now you just need to solve it. Now 999 multiplied with 100 will give you 99900. Then minus 999 with 1. Now any number when you multiply with 1 will get you the same number as always. This is done. Now see Ojil. Again in the last step, see subtraction has come. So the same process will be there. Now at the last you just need to subtract 99900 minus 999. Now you will subtract it. Subtraction का process तो बेटा I don't think so कि you needed any kind of explanation. कैसे subtraction करते हैं which you already know. ठीक है. So then at the last the subtraction will come.